Hi everyone, I'm delighted to meet you all through this session. I'm Dr. M. Maithili. I have been working as professor in the Department of English in Nanda Engineering College. Today, we are going to discuss listening skills. You all know listening skill is one among the foundation skills of communication skill, that is LSRW skills. Most of the students, they get confused with listening and hearing. Let me first brief you the difference between hearing and listening. Hearing is a physical and automatic process. For example, if you walk through your campus, you may hear the students talking with each other, the vehicles passes by and the sounds of birds. But even if you don't want to listen to them, they will automatically fall into your ears. So it is an involuntary process. Whereas listening is receiving an information, understanding it, interpreting it, evaluating it and responding to it. For example, if you take your classroom, your maths professor is dealing with a complex maths problem. What will you be doing? You will be listening each and every step of the problem and you will be analyzing and trying to find out how the particular answer is arrived. So there you will be getting your doubts clarified and finally responding to your professor. So this is what listening. Listening is an active and mental process. So now we are very clear about hearing and listening. Let us move on to the different types of listening. So though we have different types of listening, today we are going to see only 4 important listening. The first one is informative listening. Informative listening is nothing but listening to learn something new, some new information. For example, you're listening in your classroom, listening to a seminar, listening to a symposium. Next, we move on to the critical listening. Critical listening is nothing but analyzing and evaluating something before accepting the information. For example, if you want to buy a laptop, what will you do? You will be listening to so many ads, but you won't get satisfied with single ad. You will be comparing the prices, configuration, RAM and etc. etc. Finally, you will be come to a conclusion. So that is critical listening. And next one is empathetic listening. Empathetic listening is listening to someone by putting yourself in someone's position to console them or to provide a solution to them. For example, if your friend is very sad after performing poorly in the examination, what will you be doing? You will be consoling them after understanding their position. So this is empathetic listening. And last one is appreciative listening. Appreciative listening is nothing but listening for pleasure and entertainment. For example, listening to songs, listening to motivational stories, listening to speeches, etc. These are all the different types of listening which we must familiar with to be a good performer in either professionally or academically. And next one we'll see to the barriers to listening. So first one is physical barrier. Physical barrier is nothing but noise. For example, the construction work that is going on in and around our classroom, that will be a big hindrance to our listening. And next one, poor network connection during the online class. During the hot summer, if we have the power cut, that will also be a physical barrier. So we have to be aware of these barriers for the effective listening. And next one is psychological barrier, that is from within, that is our fear, our anger, or anxiety, or lack of interest. These things should be avoided for effective listening. And next one is prejudice and bias. This is very, very important. For example, before entering the next semester, what we will be doing, we will be getting information about the next semester professors and papers that we are going to undergo. We will be getting new information about them and we will be forming a pre-opinion about the professors, and we used to lack interest in the classes. So that should be avoided. And another one is distraction. So the recent main distraction is mobile phone. That should be avoided for effective listening. So finally, I wish to conclude by saying that the more you listen, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more successful you will become. Thank you all for your patient listening. I'll meet you again through some other interesting video. Thank you.